buttons or any labels or any checkboxes, anything. Okay, if you see any web page, it will be available like that. Okay, every web page is configured or divided into these parts. When you are writing the code, every web page is divided into these parts: header, then body. Inside body there will be paragraphs. Inside paragraphs you can create buttons or whatever you want, you can do it. Okay, so now HTML is always with HTML code is always written in tags. Okay, it will have a open tag, it will have a close tag. Whatever you want to define, you have to define between this open tag and close tag. Okay, so first I want a header, heading to my web page. Okay, so now on my web page, when the web page opens, I want a heading. So for heading, we'll have a header tag. Okay, this is heading tag, so that is open tag, and this is a close tag. So how a tag is opened and closed. Okay, whatever you write there, it will be reflecting on your web page. Okay, heading. Let us, I will write a heading as IoT workshop. Okay, so this will be the heading on your web page once the web page opens. Okay, then after the heading, we'll have the body. Again for body, the tag for the body is body like this. If you want me to go line by line and check the code, you just tell me, we can check. I have written this heading. What will be displayed on the web page? If you want to see, then we'll complete that and come back. Shall we do like that, or shall we completely finish the HTML code for 2 buttons and then followed by other things? Huh? First you want to check what will be the output of this code? Huh? Yes or no? I want.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then we can go ahead checking this. Okay, I will not create any body now. So let's suppose there is a header now. So what will be the output in my web page? Okay, right. Now for that, for your web page to be created, first you have to create a web server. Okay, the syntax for creating a web server: ESP8266 web server.
8266 web server.
ESP8266 web server. Space or you will find the syntax. This is the syntax. ESP8266. ESP is capital. ESP8266 web server. We are creating a server using this. So I will create a server. You can name anything. Okay. Now we are creating a server. We are giving a name to the server. That's all. ESP8266 web server. So we are adding a server or cloud space, data space into our ESP8266 module. Okay. So the name is server. You can give any name you want in the place of server, but in bracket it should be 80 because commonly available port for communication is 80. Okay. So that's why we are writing it as 80. Okay. Now after creating the server, okay. Now we have to handle the request that we get to the server. Okay, right. Now here there are 2 things that we have to do to finish this code. Okay, one is handling the client request. So what will be the client request if we are not adding any buttons? If you have just opened google.com, what you will get? www.google.com/ Yes or no? So slash is the request that we have created. So that's why you'll get www.google.com/. If there is any button, if you have clicked on it, then it will be .com/login. If you have clicked on login, then it will be /login/. Okay. So for now, because we have not created any button, we have only created a header. So that will be some web link slash. So when web link slash comes, what we have to do is what we have to write the code now. Okay. Now I am a client. I know the IP address. I'll tell you how you will get to know the IP address. It is a very small thing. You will get the IP address. When client opens the IP address, what data should come from the server and should be displayed on the web page. Okay. Now we have created a page. That page, some header we have written. That header has to be shown there. So what is the procedure to make